Alright guys, this will be a very short video in which I'm going to talk about permalinks and what are they and what is it that you have to fix on them. So I'm at the post section of the website and I'm going to open the post that I created earlier and I will show you what a permalink is, and it's the link that opens the post itself. So let's click it and open the post. So we don't have anything, but this is not important for now. What is important is your permalink, your link. As you can see, the link is the domain of your website / the date on which the post was created and / the name of the post. You have to get rid of the date of the post here. Nobody searches in Google for the date when you created your post. Nobody cares about that. It simply hides a lot from your link in the Google search results when it appears. And it's simply better if you don't have this. It should be just like this. Much better. CimeraOnline.com /Cimera photo editor. Perfect. So how do we do this? Well, the way to fix this is, let's go to the menu here. We have to go to settings and then we go here to permalinks. And as you can see, it's selected day and name. And we have exactly this signature in our permalink. But we don't want this. We have other options like a month name, like a numeric. This will probably get the ID of the post, which is also not something that we need. And we have the post name, which is exactly what we want. So all we have to do is simply select post name here and click Save Changes. When you do this, if we go here and let's refresh, page not found because it's changed the link. So let's find our post right here and open it. And you can see that we no longer have the date on which the post was created. If we go to edit post, we don't have it here anyway. If you want some custom permalink for your post, you can click on this edit button here that I just clicked, and you can change this part of the permalink on anything you like.